Today we'll show you how to install the Tekonsha P2 trailer brake controller, part number 90885. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we'll be using the following tools. Start by determining the mounting location and which mounting bracket you want to use to mount your brake controller. You can use the traditional bracket mount or the under-dash pocket mount. As you make your decision, keep in mind that the brake controller should be mounted in the direction of travel and horizontally level side to side. Once you've made your decision, securely mount your chosen bracket or pocket mount. Drilling pilot holes may make this easier. Then, if you are using a traditional bracket mount, insert the supplied number 8x3/8 screws to secure it to the vehicle's dashboard. Then, insert the remaining screws on each side of the bracket into the mounting holes to secure the brake controller. Adjust your P2's mounting angle to the desired position and tighten until snug. If you're using the under-dash pocket mount, secure it using the supplied number 6x1/2 inch self-tapping screws. Then, slide the brake controller into the dash pocket mount until it snaps into place. Next, we will connect the brake controller to the vehicle's wiring. Provided with the P2 is a universal brake controller wiring harness, which can be used to wire your brake controller into any vehicle's braking system. To do this, follow the universal wire harness installation instructions provided with your brake controller. Tekonsha also offers custom brake controller wiring harnesses that make it easier to connect your brake controller to your vehicle. Its plug-and-play design allows you to simply plug one end of the connector into your brake controller and the other into the vehicle's electric brake controller harness connector. For this installation, we chose to use a custom brake controller wiring harness to connect the P2. It is recommended that you set up and test the functions of the brake controller with a trailer before towing. That concludes the installation for a Tekonsha P2 trailer brake controller, part number 90885. For more information on this and other great Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com.